So in this question we have a Bots and Whisker plot which was shown here, and it's about people using a water machine. It shows the number of steps that a group of 30 people take in 10 minutes, and we want to find the probability that when 3 of these 30 people are randomly selected, then they have all taken between 850 and 1,000 steps. So let's just have a look at our plot for a minute. We can notice that the scale, the distance between each of these markings is 100, so we can just write that on, and then very quickly we can find whereabouts 850 and 1,000 will be. Have a go at doing this now. Yep, so they're just on here and here, so we can see they line up with these lines here, which will be very helpful. Now we can have a think about what the actual plot itself means. Well, this point is where 25% of the data has lied, and 50% is here. This is the median, so halfway point, and 75% is here. And so we can see that between 850 and 1,000 we have 25% of the people, and so we find that the probability that a person has taken 850 to 1,000 steps is a quarter, because a quarter of the people will have taken between this amount. Now we need to know for 3 people, not just 1, and so to do this we do the probability that one person has taken between 850 and 1,000 steps, and we cube it, because if you can't explicitly think about why that is, a good way to remember it is that we're not going to be multiplying it by 3, because then the probability would be getting bigger, and that doesn't make any sense. It's quite unlikely that 3 people are in that gap, whereas it's a lot more likely that just one person is in that gap. So we take a quarter and cube it, and that gives us 1/64, so our answer is E.